If you've got a crowd to feed but don't have a crowd-sized budget, I've got the recipe just for you. Hey foodie friends! Today we're taking one meat, one simple dish idea and turning it into 3 different sliders. Because let's be honest, feeding a large group can get expensive fast, but with a few affordable ingredients and a little creativity, you can create enough variety to make everybody happy without emptying your wallet. First, we've got the chicken bacon ranch. This one is for the comfort food lovers, the people who believe ranch belongs on everything and think cheese is less of an ingredient and more of a lifestyle. We're combining shredded rotisserie chicken, ranch seasoning, cheddar cheese, pepper jack cheese, and a cream cheese to create a creamy filling packed with flavor. Once that mixture is baked, we'll pile it onto our Hawaiian rolls and add our real bacon bits and pop them back in the oven for about 10 minutes. Then we'll finish everything with a little melted butter and parsley. If you're feeding picky eaters, kids, or anybody who gets nervous when they hear the words fusion cuisine, this is the slider for them. Next up, we've got our cowboy sliders. Now these are for the folks who like bold flavors and probably own at least one pair of cowboy boots. We're tossing our shredded chicken with Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, layering it over pepper jack cheese, and topping everything with crispy fried onions. Once these hit the oven, the cheese gets melty, the onions stay crunchy, and the whole thing tastes like summer cookouts and good decisions. Well, maybe not good decisions, but definitely delicious ones. If you've got someone who normally heads straight for the barbecue at every gathering, these sliders have their name written all over them. And finally, we've got our ginger sesame crunch sliders. These are for the adventurous eater, the people who look at the menu and immediately order the item they've never tried before. We're marinating our chicken overnight in ginger sesame dressing before layering it onto Hawaiian rolls with fresh basil. Then we're topping it with a crunchy slaw made from green cabbage, onions, and roasted peanuts. A squeeze of fresh lime right before serving brings everything together and makes every flavor pop. These sliders are fresh, bright, crunchy, and completely different from the other two. They're proof that crowd food doesn't always have to be heavy to be memorable. And that's what I love most about this idea. One rotisserie chicken, one affordable dish concept, 3 completely different flavor profiles. Whether your guests love creamy comfort food, smoky barbecue, or something a little unexpected, there's a slider for everybody. Now the only question left is which one are you grabbing first? Full recipe will be listed in the description.